Hello, my name is Joe. I am a data analyst for BOC Home Care, and in this short video I will be demonstrating how you can use the BOC Home Oxygen Portal to review patient usage, holdings and other useful data. This will enable you to have more interactive and informed discussions with your patients on their home oxygen prescription and usage. Once logged into the portal, click Patient Dashboard on the top. From here, you can search for any patient under your own CCG by their name, NHS number, date of birth, postcode, or BOC account number. In this case, we're just looking at fake patient data, so we'll have a look at the first entry that comes up when I enter the name test. The patient dashboard lists a number of details such as the patient's demographics, the date their oxygen commenced, their GP and clinical code, and also their equipment holdings, prescription, and last 3 months of usage, which you can see on these graphs. In this case, this particular patient hasn't had any. The percentages in the upper middle of each show the patient's compliance. Under 100% means they're underusing, while over 100% means the reverse. If a patient has cylinders, you can also see their turnover for the last 3 months. This data is updated once a month, usually around the 10th working day. Lastly, any safety incidents recorded during the lifetime of the patient's oxygen provision are also noted here. If you want to create a safety report or a new WHO for this patient, you can go straight to doing this by clicking either Create WHO or Report a Safety Incident on the top. The patient dashboard is incredibly useful both for your own review of patients under your care, as well as allowing more informed and visually engaging discussions with these patients about their oxygen usage. You can, for example, have the Home Oxygen Portal up on a tablet or a smartphone in front of you and show them this very same information and these graphs here to have more engaging conversations with them. We hope that you find it useful. In the meantime, if you have any feedback on the Home Oxygen Portal, please feel free to submit your comments to boc.hop@nhs.net. Thank you for listening.